How is your day going on?
Everything going on very well because today is my holiday because due to Vidhan Sabha election. That's why I'm at the home.
Okay. So what are you doing?
Actually, I'm doing. I'm working person right now.
Okay. In which field?
I'm working in Maruti Suzuki. You know Maruti Suzuki? It's car company.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Nice.
okay. We are must. We are first meeting. So I would like to introduce yourself first, then after me.
Okay. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. I'm Sima Bisen from Maharashtra. I have done my Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy. My hobbies are playing badminton, reading books, listening music. That's all about me. Could you
Oh,
introduce
that's
yourself?
nice. Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, my name is Lucky Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh, but I speaking to you currently Gurugram, Haryana. You know, Haryana. If
Yes.
I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation 2012. Now this time I working in Maruti Suzuki and I have YouTube channel. It is based on conversation video. That's all about me.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel name?
Such like English. My YouTube channel name Such like English.
Such like English.
English.
That's nice. I will check.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. So, I think you are a married person. I think, and you are doing such great job, and you are learning English. I think so. How to manage this kind of things?
Yeah, it's sometimes it's difficult, but whenever we like to do any work, so it's possible and it's easy to do. I like my passion is speaking English. I like to speak, and that's why. And I like to connect different people, and I want to get knowledge. I want to speak, so that's why I like to do. Then I take time and I speak.
So
I
that's
manage
nice.
my time.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. If you want to do something, so you can manage. But if you not do, you can't manage. Depend on
Yes.
you and depend on me because everything manage also depend on me because I know about how to manage everything uh, uh, and what about work and doing daily routine. So this kind of thing also manage. You can manage
Yes.
also. Yeah.
Yeah, everything is possible if we do, so it's possible. But human giving excuses more. That's why we are not doing that one. What we
Yeah,
assume.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Because nowadays people also lazy. Can you can say like a lazy man. Don't think about
Yes.
oh my God, what is my personality? I what I am and what do for living in future. Don't do. Everything is same. Every time also like a same person. So this kind of thing also not for good for society, not for a family. So you can say like a
Right.
lazy man. Lazy man.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So, ma'am,
what you
you are
like? Yeah.
sorry, ma'am.
Go ahead. Go
Sorry,
ahead.
sorry. Okay.
Go
So,
ahead first.
okay, okay, okay. I listen. So, you from Maharashtra. So, I think your native language also Marathi.
Yes.
So, this Marathi also difficult language. So, and you also speak in English. So, English is difficult, and Marathi. I think Marathi. Your native language also Marathi, so that's why you speak very well. So, uh, why are you learning English, and what is your ambition?
Okay, my ambition is I want to become a fluent speaker. I want to get good job, and this language I like to speak, and that's why I'm learning. And English is very important language. When we are not learn that language, so we can't connect to each and every person, because anybody know Marathi, Hindi, anybody not able to speak Hindi. Recently I got one person, and he have need, so he was not able to speak in Hindi. Hindi. He's able to speak Bengali, but I am not understand Bengali, and he's not understand easily in Hindi. And then if we talk in English, so we can understand easily. So in India, all people are talk very different language, and in our India, so many language. In a rural language, there are so language we can't understand. Some kind of language. So easy English is very easy language, but we make difficult. It's a difficult language, but if we learn that language, so we can learn easily. If my mother tongue is not was not in Marathi, and if I have to speak in Marathi, so it's so difficult to speak. But Hindi, English is not. If we talk, if we do practice, so we can.
Yeah, 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 ma'am. This is the beauty of Indian culture, because if you live in India, so you can like find different language, different culture, and different society. This is the beauty of India. So
Right.
yeah, if you and if I talk about mother tongue, you have different mother tongue. I might have also different mother tongue, but if you want to be learn any language, you can do it. You can do easily, but you given some time for this language, so you can definitely learn. English is not, I think, a top language. I think, yeah.
Yeah, and it's also easy to write. Some
But
language we are able to write, but English is
problem is
easy to
that
write.
problem is that your environment also not English, and my environment not English. That this is the problem. But if you have create artificial environment, you can do it, and you can speak.
Yes, right.
Artificial environment.
Yes, I appreciate.
Yeah, you create own artificial environment. First one, you can do it yourself. First one,
Yeah,
okay.
when we talk in English in our home, so in our environmental or family will be understand that language, and in small baby who is born, so that one listen that language, so he will be understand. They can be understand, and they can speak easily.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a nature. I think God is gifted. If you
Yes.
live in, if you belong to like a English family, I think British America, London, so you can speak their accents. But if you belong to Indian culture, if you belong to English Hindi culture, so you can speak Hindi. But I belong to like a blazer area, like my blazer also mostly speak Bhojpuri, so I can speak Bhojpuri. I can speak Bhojpuri, but I can speak English little bit. I can speak Hindi little bit. I can speak Urdu little bit. But yeah, if you have a dedication, if you have like a craze, so you can do it. I can speak also.
Right. Yes. So what
And
you do for learn English?
actually, ma'am, I started my journey 2 months ago, and I started my YouTube channel also same day. So I decided I want to uh, get opportunity to succeed in future. So that's why I choosing this platform. I think nowadays you have good opportunity. You have mobile phone, and you have like a social media also, and you can easily learn any language. I can any subject. Don't, I'm not like say English. If you do like if you want to cook, especially for cook, you can do it. Many video
Yes.
also, many video also uploaded in YouTube channel. You can easily find, and you can watch and apply. This is
Yeah, it's
very fun.
Yeah, mobile is so useful because you can go on rural area. So somebody not in their area not available, English institute who are learn English and some coaching classes, good education. So a good teacher because they are living in so rural area. They don't know what is the education, what we do, but by mobile they are improving their self. I Yesterday I talked with Jadu. This boy name is Jadu, and he told me in
Yes, yes,
I
yes, yes.
am I'm in very rural area, and that area have no institute in learn English, and nobody can speak. But I am learning this language by mobile, by YouTube. So it's very useful, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
and we
right.
can
I know.
by YouTube.
Yeah, okay, okay. Because this thing also inspire you, and I think this inspire everyone. Because if you watch any video who are belong to rural area, who are belong to like a village area, they have no environment, they have no skill, they have no money, and they have also poor. So uh, uh, this kind of thing also motivate, I think.
Yeah.
And 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 if you like sometime you demotivate, that time you watch their video, and then after your mind also increase, and your level also increase. Oh my god, I'm not who are speak very well, so I can who I'm not speak, why I'm not speak. This thing
Right.
also motivates.
Yes.
Whenever I many conversation to like a senior citizen, and
Hmm.
they have so many knowledgeable, because senior citizen also very good experience, I think. And
Yes.
they have also knowledgeable person, and after that conversation I got so motivate, and I realize I'm not like stop. I'm not stop because when I'm not stop because I'm learning English, and if I learn this language, I can do it. Yeah,
Yeah, right. So it is a very nice session. So could we stop that
thank you so.
conversation?
Okay, thank you so much, man. Have a nice day, man.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
are you I think you are enjoy this conversation, and I think you know gained very good knowledge, and I think you are become successful person in your future, I hope. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
man.
you
Have a
also.
nice day.
Yes.
Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye, man.